Have you ever had Moringa tea? Do you know how to brew Moringa tea? Learn this along with the benefits of Moringa tea in a sec. What's up? This is Rico. Don't forget to show me some love. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Yeah. It's Rico. So right about now I'm inside the kitchen and I'm gonna be making some Moringa herbal tea, or as we say in Jamaica, bush tea. The Moringa, also commonly called the drumstick tree, is native to India. Moringa thrives in tropical and subtropical climatic conditions. Hence it is commonly found across many Caribbean countries, including Jamaica. Every part of this tree is said to be of useful nutritional value. The seeds, the leaves, the roots, the stems, etc. It is said to be a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, calcium, potassium, and even protein. The leaves are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and other chemical sources to promote a healthy body. You can use the dry leaves to brew a tasty and nutritious cup of tea. You can also purchase the Moringa powder to include in your smoothies and shakes. And remember, always consult your doctor before using any form of alternative medicine. So I got here a bag of dried Moringa leaves, which I brought from Jamaica some months ago. Here it is. Now I'm just gonna take a tablespoonful and put it in this pot. And that's where I'm gonna put it to steep for about 5 minutes. You can sweeten with honey or sugar. My choice is honey. Just sweeten to taste. And enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, as always, stay true and stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Yeah, man.